You are so pissed!
Listen to me.
Yo, wagwan. When I see the title, you know what it is already. Alright. So this just dropped. Just there, I just see it pop up. So I say, alright, I'm react to it because I don't know wagwan. So I'm reacting to the AU Heist. So the AU vodka, the Heist. So this having 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Digga the Big Narstie and Charlie Sloth. So we're gonna jump in it and see what go on. You see me? I don't know what to expect, so let's go. We are reacting.
I need to find out what the new flavor is. They've got to be holding it in the vault. You can run, but you can't hide. Activating green vision. The clue's here, but I can't find out what it is. He should be arriving in 30 seconds. There he is. Target has arrived. What's in the case? What's in the case?
So hold on. Is this a promotion for a vodka or something? All of this just for know how a vodka tastes? This is a bit over the top.
He's dropped it!
Idiot. But he left one, Charlie. Go feed. Jackpot. Hold on now. Wait there. What? Look on the fun with Charlie in now. Can you get a more obvious one than that? Can you get a more obvious one than that for the stakeout? Charlie, I'm mad one. Jackpot.
Oh my god, it's green!
Oh my god, what the fuck is this? What is this, God? I'm not like adverting, man. Not like adverting.
What was that?
Nathan.
Who this? What's your name? Tama Hassan, the bank owner. Okay.
Nathan, you need to be 100% sure that this place is secure and my green and my reddies are going to be safe.
For sure, bro. I've got this place locked off. Security is second to none.
Because you do know, everyone on the streets wants my green.
Oh man, I need this AU green watermelon in my life. Gonna be the hardest job we ever done. I've got the security code to the safe. Now all I need is the right people to do the job.
Who the fuck come up with this? What for idea this? I thought this was a music video, but it's a short film.
Alright lads, listen, the job is all set up. All we gotta do is go through the back door, 8:45, bust through the lasers. I'm gonna send you, man, the code for the safe right now. I've got the trucks waiting outside. Trust me, don't mess this up. This is gonna change our lives forever.
𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Digga D.
Alright, let's.
Ninja. Wait, what the blood clot me just watch a while ago? Wait there, man.
This is gonna change our lives forever.
So 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 are the con man. Alright, cool. Alright, we can work with that. Digga D are the hacker. Fine, yeah, we can work with that. Big Narstie are the ninja. Bumbleclad. Big Narstie are the ninja. So why Digga D couldn't be the ninja? Why Big Narstie are the ninja?
Alright, let's.
Oh my god.
Let's do this.
Ninja Big Narstie, what god? Oh my god. Watch out!
Hey Narstie, what's the code?
Man, that kinky brother anyway is 69.
Nah, I didn't even work.
No, 7979. We're in.
Belly get bust. So man them find the jackpot, man them find the belly. Blood clot, man them happier now. Make us see what I go on.
Take the bottles and leave the door.
Get the what and left the what?
Move your blood clot. That what him just say. Take the war and left the war. That is from Shutters. For all you know what Shutters is, a Jamaican movie. It has Spragga Benz in it and Bob Marley's son, Kimani Marley. Infamous, one of the best Jamaican movie ever. Gangster movie. You see me? So it's like them go on a robbery. So Biggs is Bob Marley's son, Kimani Marley, and Wayne is Spragga Benz. So them go on a robbery. I'm moving pan some drug dealer and them catch one of them and them say, yo, where the money there? And them say, yo, take the money. No, he must say take the weed and left the money. And one of them say what? Take the what and left the what? You sound like a pussy hole. So that Digga the watch the show obviously say him get it. Alright, here I go on.
Yo, take the bottles and leave the door.
Get the what and left the what?
Take the what and left. Man, I'm a Kimbo. Take the take the what and left the what. That's funny, bro.
Take the bottles and leave the door.
Get
Take the what and left the what.
Take the bottles and left. Come on, bro. We'll get more on the streets, come on.
Man, don't play with the workers. Man, just stay with the bursars.
Hey, you, man. Sloth gave him the postcode still.
Insane,
Forward.
it's a circus. Just stay with the bursars.
Sorry, may I try get everything while I go on here.
Hey, you, man. Sloth gave him the postcode still.
Insane,
Forward.
it's a circus.
Forward, what's it forward?
Man just came with the burgers. Shit got sprayed from the purchase. Click, click, aim, then it searches. Click, clack, aim, then I work it.
Go on.
Boss, they took the gear.
What do you mean I've took my fucking gear? I thought you said the place was secure.
So this big thick pussy hole, this big thick, whatever I mean, busted took the gear. This big thick pussy hole, met the man them forward there, so and you know see the man them? And you know see Big Narstie, the ninja, and look how him bigger, you know see him? Something wrong with you, man. You want a chop in your blood clot head.
Nah, it was, boss. It is. I know he took the stuff.
Oh, you do? Right, stay there, because I'm coming to you now.
Oh, him at the alarm.
Nathan, get them rats on the phone now.
Go on, bro. Yo.
Yo, what's happening?
You got my gear?
Listen, I ain't got no idea what gear you're talking about.
Yes, you have. Tell them to turn back
Hey,
now.
listen, mate. Seriously, even if we did take your stuff, there's no way in a million years you get it back.
Really? Well, let me tell you something, fat boy. I'm gonna fucking find you, and I'm gonna eat you alive. Do I make myself clear?
Listen, sorry, Tam. I gotta go, mate. Your bird's calling me.
Whatever. Nathan, get hold of these rats. Let's go, come on.
Nathan, workless man. Nathan not going to do nothing. This is funny as hell. This is funny, bro.
Go watch nothing, blood. It's the hottest thing on the streets, fam. This is liquid money. Alright, cool.
Narstie, listen to me, and listen to me fucking carefully. I know you got my gear. Bring my fucking gear back, and bring it back now, because this ain't gonna be good for you.
You are so pissed.
Listen to me.
Ninja, you have to the piss, brother.
You are so
pissed.
Listen to me.
Listen, you might laugh.
You fucking laugh. You fucking fat piece of shit. You listen to me, and you listen to me carefully. I'm gonna fucking do your mum, your dad. I'm fucking eating. Bring me my gear back.
The more Big Narstie, the more Big Narstie laugh, the more the boss get angry. Big Narstie take the fucking piss.
I'm fucking eating. Bring me my gear back.
You know some little pit where them take me, I kick you around them say, nah, you can't catch me. I saw big Narstie deal with the boss, you know, brother. This shit is funny, dog. No joke, this is funny.
Are you laughing? Dead! Fuck!
But Nathan, big and thick for nothing.
Fucking little rats.
When I'm empty, the deposit box them.
Fucking cheeky bastards. I know it's you. Giggs, Sloth, Charlie, it's fucking on ya.
Digga did that too. What him left? Him left something. What him say? What that say? Have a drink on me.
Have a drink on me?
Yeah.
You cheeky. You.
Yeah, done him. Him walk list. Nathan, your walk list.
By the way, I'm not your fucking bro. Make sure you get me my fucking greenback.
Yeah, your walk list,
Right.
man. You should have protected the man thing.
It's fucking on ya!
Yo.
Yo, my guy, you got that, yeah? You didn't think I was gonna let you down, did you?
Yeah, fair play, fair play.
Come, bud. Come on. Enjoy LA, my guy.
Yeah, nah, certainly will, certainly will.
Well done.
Is there actually music in this? Like, is this a music video? What is this?
When I walk in, no bitches. Please, whole squad full of bad bitches.
Yo, Charlie!
Narstie!
Charlie! Narstie!
By G!
Come on, my guy, let's go! We did it!
Bro!
Yeah, man, we fucking done it, bro. We
I'm gonna celebrate.
So Charlie, we need some more flavors. Only AU that I'm drinking. Tonight I'ma crash the boat. I got floaties night sinking. Celebrating my position. Only one in my division. When I thought they better live.
Who sing that song there? Who is singing that song? That song so nice.
With this premium gold that I'm sipping. So Charlie, we need some more flavors. Only AU that I'm drinking. Tonight I'ma crash the boat. I got floaties night sinking. Celebrating my position. Only one in my division. When I thought they better listen. With this premium gold that I'm sipping. Schwa, big boss. Please know the vibe when you see me. I came to double my money and repeat. It can go left if you wanna be cheeky. Pretty boy, smooth, street boy, I've been a.
Charles, I challenge you to a duel of badminton style.
Challenge accepted, dear boy. In the name of green watermelon.
Yo, fuck off Charlie and Big Narstie. What the fuck did I just watch? What did I just watch? What is this? What is this? I know the artist thing about this. This I gonna probably get to 1 million views. This I gonna probably get 1 million views. I don't know. What if blood clot think about this? What the fuck? It's funny. It's funny. Don't get me wrong. Me laughed in a week. Don't get me wrong. It's funny, dog. But what the hell is this, dog? Man, I promote a new vodka, dog. AU vodka. Yo, big up on yourself, dog. Yo, I'm out of here, dog. They're gonna laugh somewhere. Yo, look more, dog. I'm out. Peace.